Hello friends, today I am sharing a simple podi recipe with all of you, sesame seed podi. If you like eating podi with your idlis and dosas, you are definitely going to love this one. The flavors of roasted sesame seeds are amazing along with other spices and lentils. This not only serves as an accompaniment with idlis and dosas, but you can also make masala rice with it. You can sprinkle it on top of plain rice, pour ghee and enjoy. It's so yummy. You could also spice up your curries with this. So, should we get started and make this flavorful sesame seed podi? The ingredients to make sesame seed podi: Chana Dal 2 tablespoons, Urad Dal 2 tablespoons, Tamarind little size of 1 lemon, Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, peppercorns 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, dried desiccated coconut powder 1 tablespoon, sesame seeds 3 tablespoons, Asafoetida or hing 1/4 teaspoon, and 7 or 8 red chillies, dry red chillies. Your reference, the ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now let's begin the process. First we will dry roast the spices and lentils. Start with chana dal first, as it is thicker, needs to be roasted for a longer time. After roasting it a bit, you can add in the urad dal. Stir them continuously and roast them until they change the color. Next, add the peppercorns. Continue stirring. You can adjust the flame a bit in between. Now add the cumin seeds, and tamarind is not soaked. You can just add it straight away. It becomes softer while roasting the ingredients. You can bring the flame to medium now. Now you can add the red chillies. We are adding them towards the end because we don't want them to turn black. Now add salt and sesame seeds. Bring the flame to low now, because the sesame seeds should not get blackish and they start jumping from the pan. On low flame, continue to stir all of them together. Now switch off the flame and add the coconut powder, dry coconut powder. But if you are adding dry coconut pieces, then you can add them little earlier. Now the pan is still hot. Coconut will be done in the heat. Allow it to cool and then you can grind all of them. I am using a coffee grinder, which is really very convenient. If it is small, I'll divide the spice mix into 2 portions. If you have a large grinder, everything can be done in one go. Now to give a nice red color, you can add some Kashmiri chilli powder to the spice mix, to this podi. This is not spicy but gives a lovely color to it. This is optional. If you don't like it, you may skip it also if you want the natural color of the podi. Grind them a bit together and the lovely flavorful podi is ready. Remove it in a plate for cooling. You have to put it in the jar only after it cools. Now the second batch goes in, and here I am adding the Asafoetida, the last ingredient. Remove this also in the same plate and mix them together. It can be enjoyed with idlis, dosas. You can also have it with plain rice with some melted ghee on top. It tastes awesome. And you can use it for making sesame seed rice also, the masala rice. Use it to flavor your sabzis and stir fries. So this multi-purpose podi can be made and stored in a plastic container for a longer time. As you are roasting everything, it doesn't spoil easily. Do give it a try and share the feedback with me. Cool it very well before you fill it into the jar. This can stay on the shelf also. No need to refrigerate it. It can stay good for a couple of months. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well and stay tuned for the next video.